Namaste, myself Shamala Siddiqui, Faculty of Physiotherapy and Diagnostic and as a Post of Assistant Professor. And today, this video, I'll talk about the blood components. So, what is blood? Basically, what is blood? Blood is a fluid connective tissue and it consists of RBCs, WBCs and platelets, plasma and serum. So, red blood cells, platelets and fresh frozen plasma, cryoprecipitated factors and granulocytes. So, including whole blood, blood collected before the separation into the components parts of the whole blood that are separated, and closed system, a sterile system of the blood collection, and open system when the collection is exposed to the air, decreasing the expiration date. So the collection basic, blood is collected in a primary bag that contains anticoagulant preservative. What is anticoagulant? Anticoagulant, it is a chemical substance which can prevent the coagulation of the blood, and satellite bags may also be attached depending on what components are needed. So anticoagulant preservatives minimize biochemical changes, increasing the shelf life. So the blood component preparation of components of the blood or centrifuging, like light spin and heavy spin. There are two types of the centrifuged for the whole blood components, light spin and heavy spin. Light spin means short time and low RPM, and heavy spin means longer spin and high RPM. So the procedures are in the AAB techniques. So centrifuging bloods, separations of the plasma and serum, and settle down in RBCs and middle part of the WBCs and platelets. Whole blood components stored at 1 to 6 degrees centigrade and 21 or 35 days depending on the preservative, CPDA and CPDA1. Whole blood consists of RBCs, WBCs and platelets and plasma with anticoagulant, and 1 unit increases hemoglobin 1 gram per dl and hematocrit यानी कि plasma, and 3% when it is used patients who are actively bleeding and lost less than 25% of the blood volume and exchange the transfusion. Red blood cells, 1 to 6 degrees centigrade is stored 1 to 10 degrees Celsius and 21 to 35 and 40 days depending on the preservative and additive solution. So the hematocrit volume should be less than 80% and 1 unit increases hematocrit 3%. So once the unit is opened, it has a 24-hour expiration date. RBCs and fresh frozen plasma less than 65 degrees centigrade for 10 years, and RBCs decolorized and washed good at 18 to 6 degrees centigrade for 24 hours. So RBC is 1 to 6 degrees centigrade for 28 days. RBCs are usually given because of their hemoglobin content and the increase in the mass of circulating red blood cells in situations where blood loss occurs. Conditions including like oncology patients, either chemotherapy and radiation, and trauma victims, cardiac, orthopedic and other surgery patients, and renal disease patients, premature infants, and sickle cell disease. And RBCs types, leukocyte reduced RBCs are for the patients who receive a lot of the transfusion to prevent antibodies production and towards the WBC's antigen. So the patient's transfusion, the patient transfused outside of the hospital, and patients who have reacted to the leukocytes in the past. So RBCs types, frozen RBCs, glycerol is added to the cryoprotect the unit, and glycerol prevents cell lysis. Why? Freezing RBCs preserves a rare unit and extend to the life of autologous units. Decolorized RBCs that have had the glycerine removed, thawed at 37 degrees centigrade, and blood cell procedure wash the cell and varying concentrations of the saline. But in case of washed RBCs, not effective in reducing WBCs for the patients with anti-IgA that may react with plasma proteins and containing IgA. Reactions may be allergic, febrile and anaphylactic reactions. So irritated RBCs means prevents the T cell proliferations that may cause transfusion associated graft versus host disease. Graft versus host disease, it is a fatal in 90% of those affected. Used for donor units from the blood relative HLA matched donor unit intrauterine transfusion, immunodeficiency, and also called as HIV. Premature newborns and chemotherapy and irradiations, and patients who received marrow and stem cells. Next is the platelets. Next component is platelets. The platelet, it is important in maintaining in homeostasis. So help is stop bleeding from the platelet plug and primary, and this is also called as primary hemostasis. And people who need platelets, cancer patients, bone marrow receiving, bone marrow patients, and post-operative bleeding. So how platelets are processed? So require two speeds. Firstly soft and second is heavy. Soft is separate RBCs and WBCs from the plasma and platelets. Heavy, it means platelets in platelet rich plasma PRP will be forced to the bottom of the satellite bag, and 40 to 60 ml of the plasma is expelled into the another satellite bag, while the remaining bag contains platelet concentrate. So preparations of the platelet concentration. Platelet storage temperature 20 to 24 degrees centigrade for the 5 days, and each unit should be contained at least 5.5. But each unit should elevate the platelet count by 5 to 10,000 microliter in a 165 person. So types of the platelets. There are two types of the platelet, pooled platelets and pooled pheresis, and used to reach therapeutic dose. An open system occurs when pooling platelets and resulting in an expiration of the 4-over. So the platelet pheresis, therapeutic dose from one unit to the donor and without having to pool platelets. HLA matching for those with HLA leukocytes. Fresh frozen plasma that is frozen within 8 hours of the donation and provides coagulation factors for the bleeding, abnormal clotting due to the massive transfusion, patients on treatment of TTP with factor deficiencies, and DIC when fibrinogen is less than 100 mg per dl. Next is the fresh frozen plasma is thawed before transfusion 30 to 37 Celsius water bath for 30 to 45 minutes and stored at 126 degrees centigrade, and transfusion with 24 hours. Needs to be ABO compatibility blood. So the next component is cryoprecipitate. Cryoprecipitated anti-hemophilic factor, and cryo is the precipitated protein for portion for that results after thawing the fresh frozen plasma, containing Von-Willebrand factors and like a platelet adhesion and fibrinogen 150 mg in each unit, and factor 8 about 80 unit, and fibronectin. Cryoprecipitate semi-storage as FFP cannot be refrozen as FFP once it is separated 18 for 1 year. So cryo is used for treatment of factor 8 deficiency like hemophilia A disease, and treatment for von Willebrand disease and congenital and acquired fibrinogen deficiency and factor 12 deficiency, and fibrin glue applied to surgical sites. So next is the granulocytes. So granulocytes, neutrophils, are the most numerous involved in the phagocytosis of the bacteria and fungi and other parasites. Although it is rare, it is useful for infants with bacteremia and prepared by the hemophrases and maintained at room temperature for the 24 hours, and labeling of the component like ISBT labeling. International ISBT means International Society of the Blood Transfusion recommendations regarding the uniform labeling of the blood and products for international barcode recognition by the computers. Thank you so much. Namaste. खुश रहिए.